Have you ever had visitors land on a 404 page and leave before even seeing your site? That's lost traffic and missed conversions. WP301 Redirects is a powerful WordPress plugin on AppSumo that automatically scans for broken or malicious links and redirects your visitors to the correct page, keeping your SEO intact and your users happy. This tool doesn't just stop errors, it fixes them intelligently. With features like Google Safe Browsing and Alexa rank checks, it ensures harmful or low reputation links never affect your site. Whether you've reorganized your URL structure or made a typo in a link, WP301 Redirects sets up both automatic and manual redirect rules to make sure visitors still end up in the right place. On top of redirect management, WP301 Redirects gives you powerful extras: a centralized dashboard to manage multiple websites, white labeling options, remote site control, license handling, and detailed traffic stats. And here's the deal: AppSumo is offering lifetime access for just $49, which covers up to 20 websites and 5 full site scans per month, including all future team plan updates. That's a one-time payment instead of expensive subscriptions, plus you get AppSumo's standard 60-day money-back guarantee. The plugin already has a stellar reputation, holding a 4.8 out of 5-star rating from over 280 users. People love that it's fast, reliable, and the support team is responsive. One reviewer said, "This is the best plugin for redirections. We run a marketing and web development agency, and it helps us a lot with our client sites." Another wrote, "After using it for about a week, I love this plugin. Support was quick and very helpful." Of course, no tool is perfect. A few users mentioned concerns about automatic plugin recommendations and extra background requests, so it's something to keep in mind if you're strict about site performance and control. Broken links and 404 errors don't just frustrate visitors, they harm your SEO rankings. WP301 Redirects helps you recover lost traffic, protect your search performance, and give visitors a smoother experience. Whether you manage one WordPress site or dozens for clients, the centralized dashboard and lifetime deal make this plugin a smart investment for freelancers, agencies, and marketers. So, if you want to fix 404s, boost SEO, and keep your visitors engaged, check out WP301 Redirects on AppSumo today. The link is in the description. And let me know in the comments, what's the most frustrating redirect issue you've ever dealt with? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews of AppSumo deals and digital tools.